Hello, and welcome to the Rock On Podcast, the show that's full of fun, excitement, and cool things. Stay tuned.
Hey, welcome to the Rock On Podcast. Here with Jimmy D here. I'm going to go week to week, day to day, play some chords, learn some chords. I'd say for the beginner guitarist, I just want to teach you something just to get you getting into guitar, making it sound good, just so it gets you thinking, to go to the next steps so you can learn more theory, what the notes are. I just want to break it down nice and easy for you. Just going to play with distorted right now. Here's the chord chart up here or up there somewhere. But this is the C. You start on your 3rd fret on the 5th string, right here. Then on the 4th string, right here on the 5th. Okay. That's as easy as it gets, just to make it sound good. I'm just playing with the 2 strings. So when you play the chord in its position, there are the notes there. So I'm going to change the clean channel on my app, and then we're going to go just through some basic stuff so we can play it up here so it just sounds easier. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm back. C chord. Nice ring to it. There's also other ways to play the C chord. So we got an acoustic out where you want to just play like this, no distortion. There's also a C like this. I screwed up, sorry. Like this. Sounds pretty good. There's also a C I play like this. I like this when I'm playing acoustic guitar, because then if I want to go to a G, I could just go like this to G, back to C, to G, to C. Pretty simple. I'll have the finger positioning up there, and in time, if you want to know what notes they are, just leave a comment and we get together and we can put the what notes are there. Cheers. So let's put a little distortion back on, and we'll try to rock out a little bit. Back. There's a C, 2 notes, 2 strings. So in some of the previous lessons we learned the A chord, we learned the B chord, and now we're at the C, it's just down. I'll put a link to the other videos in this video, but let's just put the A, B, C together because we want to do the ABCs of rock. So you see that kind of sounds cool, and it's easy to play. So if you're a beginner out there, or just want to learn some beginner stuff, let me know. Hit like and subscribe. And my next video will be the C chord. Alright, stay tuned. Rock on.
Click like and subscribe. Rock on, everybody. Please leave your comments below. Thanks.